Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude, and I'm here with a toy haul video. So today I went out to the area around Vancouver, and I was looking at Toys R Us's there and some Walmarts, and I managed to find some new figures you've probably seen in my toy hunt videos. I was able to score the Legacy Collection Denis Nedry Getaway pack, and this comes with the Dilophosaurus, Nedry. It comes with a stick. The Dilophosaurus comes with this little acid thing that spits out of its mouth, the venom, and the Jeep comes with some mirrors that you can put in there. I was hoping it did. I saw photos of it, but I was a little worried when I didn't see them attached to the package anywhere. They're just behind the vehicle. I also found a Savage Strike Tiger Raptor with the lighter, the kind of orange stripes instead of the darker stripes, and I only had one of this variant and its neck was a little screwed up, so I bought this one as a better version. So that's pretty cool that I got another Raptor for my pack. I also found the MechaGodzilla figure from the Godzilla vs. Kong figure set, the main line, and I was surprised to see it because I haven't actually seen any of the MechaGodzilla figures at all in Walmart here in Canada. So that was a major surprise. I really wanted to get this figure for the longest time, and I was a bit worried that it wasn't actually coming to Canada. So now that I have it, I'm relieved, and I'm excited to actually unbox it and see how the figure looks with the tail attached. They actually had the rest of the figures there, plus the Hong Kong battle ones, and the Hong Kong battle ones I have also not seen here in Canada. That was the first time I was seeing those guys, so that's neat that they're also here. I think this is going to be the last Godzilla figure that I get, as I've got these four, and I'm not too big on collecting the rest, but it's cool just to have these guys because they're so cheap. Up here they're like 15 bucks, and I almost paid 20 bucks for this figure. It was 19 Canadian, but that's the price to pay, you know, to be a collector up here. So the best part about this haul, I stopped at EB Games, and they had the monolophosaurus, they had that new Rex figure, which I have both of those, but they also had this massive super colossal Carnotaurus Toro figure that blew me away. I was shocked. It was only 80 bucks. It came out to 90, but I had a coupon 10% off, and yeah, it's basically, for up here, that's worth it. It was spectacular. I noticed online that EB Games is getting a lot more figures in from Jurassic World Mattel stuff. I think they're getting the Kenji with Gyrosphere and Scorpius Rex set, so I'm hoping to pick that one up soon. It might be here around October-ish, which is, I know, a long time. The States already have that figure, but I saw this one coming for October, and it's already out now, so potentially, or not October, I think it's sometime in August, which is not too far away, but potentially we might see them appearing way sooner than then, which is nice. And on the back of the box, the very cool thing about this, you can see the new miniatures coming out in the lineup. You get Bumpy, Cyats, Irritator, this new Pteranodon that is very reminiscent of, I think it was the Legacy Collection that had that style way back in the day. You get a green brachiosaurus, kind of like in JP3, Tarbosaurus, bioluminescent, or whatever, Parasaurolophus. Finally getting that gray stego in a mini style, and I'm excited for Bumpy. That's a cool figure. I hope those ones come to Canada, or at least maybe EB Games Canada, as this figure had come. Also, I noticed that's a cool little box emblem thing. I like that. I don't know if that's been on the boxes since way back in the day, but that's pretty cool. And with this big box, there's way more detail, well, in my opinion. I'd have to compare it to other boxes like this, but you can see the characters from Camp Cretaceous. I think they were able to fit them all on here. Let's look at the other side. Yep. and they got the Camp Cretaceous packaging, they've got the Dino Escape packaging logo, and then in the back you can see the broken fence. It's the typical Dino Escape packaging, just blown up in this massive figure scale. And I posted this on Instagram, and I've got tons of comments saying that they've been finding it in Target in the States and how awesome it is. So I can't wait to dig into this figure. You can see there's a great amount of detail, and I'm loving the colors of it. Very, very reminiscent of the 2018 Carnotaurus Mattel figure. So I'm excited to dive into all these figures. I'll probably be posting them tomorrow or the next day, as it's getting pretty late now, but I just thought I'd share you guys some of the cool finds for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see me unbox these figures or check out some of my older stuff, if you haven't already, make sure to click any of these videos that are on screen and or check out my channel, and I'd appreciate a like, comment, or subscribe. Anything will do. Again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.